When I see such young filmmakers, I wonder, what am I doing with my life? Hello and welcome to the Cinemagic Cosmos, and today I am here to talk about Shilpi, the artist. Now, I know most of you watching this has never heard of the film, and that's exactly why I thought it's important to talk about this on video. Shilpi is directed by Ankit Singha, one of my very close friends. It's his first feature film, and it's obvious that the new filmmakers don't get any platform to reach more audience. Therefore, in future, there will be more videos about budding filmmakers and their work on my channel. Now, coming back to the film. Set during the pandemic 2020, Shilpi is about Abir, a young physics student stranded away from home due to the sudden imposition of complete lockdown across the nation. Abir lives as a paying guest in Kolkata, and now all he has is the old landlord as his sole companion, someone he seems not quite fond of and clearly hasn't spent quality time to know him better. The rest of the film is about him exploring more about this aged man and how the relationship evolves. Shilpi, a word that literally means an artist, also resonates with a creator or a maker of something beautiful. Keeping this as the central theme, the film talks about how the society prioritizes only the people bestowed by degrees and special positions or power, and the artists who build and create the pillars of the society are lost in the noise. The film is also a portrayal of life of two individuals from two completely different generations with completely different mindset, stuck in the same situation, the pandemic.
আরে শূন্য কোথায়, দিগন্ত জুড়ে শুধুই তো নীল আকাশ, তার নিচে নীল কালো জলের মহাসমুদ্র, পশ্চিম থেকে পূর্ব প্রান্তে ছুটে চলেছে এক বিশাল।
Considering this as his first lengthy film, there are certain aspects that stand out. Firstly, the cinematography is fantastic and has that old school charm to it. Most of the film is shot indoors, and the aspect ratio of the film makes it look more claustrophobic, therefore emphasizing the concept of feeling trapped. Secondly, the story by Anirban Das and the theme of the film is very real and relevant to both the generations. And most importantly, surrealism, something which is very rare nowadays. Ankit uses surrealism as an instrument to tell the story and is definitely one of my favorite scenes of the film. It's a two-character film, therefore both the actors play a crucial role in carrying the film on their shoulder. Manindra Narayan Sarkar as the landlord and Homagni Bhattacharjee as Abir has both played their part decently. However, the energy of the film drops in the second half. I wish the screenplay had more meat to it, and a sharper editing would have given the film the right pace. I'll attach the link to the film in the description below. At 50 minutes runtime, it's a very short film. I request you to watch it and support the hard work of such aspiring filmmakers. Hey guys, if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the Cinemagic Cosmos. And press the bell icon so you are notified every time we upload new content. Also, for more movie updates, follow us on Instagram @the Cinemagic Cosmos. Link in the description.